Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with only sound coming from one of your headsets? So only from one side basically the sound is coming, and from the other side on the other ear you cannot hear anything. Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it very quickly. So basically it seems that something has to do with our settings on our computer itself that made it that way. Like quite often it's going to be that specific setting. If it doesn't work, that specific setting that I'm just going to show you now, then it might be something wrong with the headset itself, just so you know. But just go into settings on your computer, and then what you're going to do in here, as you can see, you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Just click on sound, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do in here, you're going to select, if you have your headset in here, just click on your headset, and then as you can see where it says balance right here, so click on your headset and then check for the balance in here. If this one right here is not in the middle, maybe it's like to the right or to the left, make sure that you actually drag it to the middle right here and then try again, because this will balance your side so that you hear both on left and right, and not just on the right or on the left. I hope that makes sense, and this is basically exactly how I myself was able to fix this problem.